guys, Rose here. I'm back to my channel. I don't expect myself to come back to my channel so soon, but anyway, today I have something really exciting to share with you guys. It's another unboxing video, but I really don't know what's inside the parcel. Okay, there are two parcels. I know I already unboxed one, but there is one coming in extra and it's like a big surprise for me. I don't know what's inside. So I decided to share this excitement with you guys because I really don't know how to manage my content or how to come up with I wish to come up with more real content with you guys. So let me show you guys now. Okay, so here comes the first parcel. Is actually the PR gift and I'm excited to unbox it. I'm really excited to show you guys. And here comes another parcel. Ta-da! This is another surprise from the brand. They didn't inform me in advance and I really don't know what's inside now. Yeah, I received both of them together yesterday and I was like, let me show you guys what's inside the first box. It's super cool. Ta-da! This is the first gift box. Yes, it's my collaboration with MER. It's my second collaboration with MER. Yeah, I can see it's so cute. And I can't wait to show you guys what's inside. Okay, let's wait no more and start unboxing it now. Really don't know what's inside. Okay. What is inside? Oh my god. What is it? Okay, let me show you guys. Can you see it? So what's inside? Like they didn't tell me what is it. Okay, I'm wrapping one by one. Oh my god, there's another big gift. Okay. What is this? What is this? Oh my god, like that's so sweet. What is this, guys? I'm so spoiled. Thank you so much, MER. Like this is so sweet, like another Christmas gift. I'm just going to unbox it. Let me have a peep. Oh my god. Like that's so sweet. Oh my god, like are you guys serious? Like here's another gift for me? Are you sure? This is such a generous gift, like sending me 2 boxes of gifting. I mean, like, wow, for the first time. Like, I'm so impressed. Like, thank you so much, MER, for sending me this generous Christmas gift. Yeah, I'm just so blessed and so grateful. So are you guys ready for the unboxing? In 3, 2, 1, ta-da! Wow, it's such a cool design and it's also very thoughtful. Let's take a closer look. Yeah, you can see here, step 1 is this liquid energy. And step 2, we have this newly released hydrating infused emulsion. And step 3, we have this MER moisturizing cream. I love it. It's so cool and thoughtful. And I think there is this little massaging tool here as well. And you can see here, like each step comes with a little instruction that you can easily follow. I created one video with MER last year, but I never get to tell you guys what does MER really means. MER actually means by the sea. Talking about ingredients, this newly launched hydrating infused emulsion is actually packed with many powerful ingredients, which are kelp, soy, miracle broth, and also lime tea concentrate. Yeah, so miracle broth is actually really helpful in renewing our cells, keeping our skin look energetic, youthful, and also help to calm our skin, reduce redness and also inflammation. My favorite ingredient must be lime tea concentrate. Yeah, why is that so? Because it actually really helps to fight against free radicals, really helpful in prevent aging. Yeah, you guys watch my many videos before, you know that I love any anti-aging products. Okay, and I'm going to try it soon. Yeah, so stay tuned, for more reviews in my IG or TikTok. let me show you guys how does it look like. I'll just press a little pump here. Oops. Yeah, it's a milky texture. Yeah, it's a milky texture. And how about the scent? Yeah, it's actually very light, very soothing. Yeah, it's not a very strong scent. Yeah, you can use it as step 2, and step 3 you will apply like the moisturizer on it. Yeah, I love it. It's very easy to be absorbed into my skin as well, you can see. Anyway, that's pretty much for today's sharing. I hope you guys love this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next sharing. Bye! Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Like, stay in love, stay in peace and abundance. Yeah, bye!